He feeds them.
So cute.
Penguin. Penguins are swimming together.
That's a colony.
Yeah, that's a colony.
Look at them going through that cave. They're just resting.
Another round.
The colony is coming.
Whee! Whee! They're swimming. It's exercise time for the penguins. Hi, penguin. Oh, there. Oh, you're looking, ah. Oh my gee.
We were looking above.
Movie. Sleeping, ah. The other one's sleeping. Did you see that, Jacob? The other one. The two of them. Two of them are sleeping. Look. The others are swimming. The others are sleeping.
Look at that tree. Maybe that's their food area.
Ito masyado maputi ito. Huh? This is not pelican maybe. Yeah. Iba no, stork ba yan? Oh, yan. Ganda oh. Puti oh. So pretty. Oh, wow. In-extend nila yung ulo nila. This one, baby should paint this one. Baby should paint this one, no? Ganda, no? Yeah, with the grass background like that.
Wonder what they're touching.
Nothing.
He's stretching yung ano nila.
Ang galing, na? Stretchable pala yun. Oh, yeah. I like the sloth. It's moving. It's like slow motion. Oh, slow motion.